Hello everyone, welcome to this Notion tutorial series, and in this video I'll explain how to share a page in Notion. So to share a page in Notion, you should go to this top right corner and find this button, Share, click on it and sharing options will open. And here we can see few options. So first of all, let's talk about general access. So general access, we have three options here. First, two options. Overall, we can set up how the page is shared among those people who are in our Notion space. So you may set up that all workspace members can have access and discover and search the page. You may set up that only those that have link inside your Notion space can access your page, and you can check this also only people invited option. So this is regarding general access, but let's talk about specific cases. First of all, if you want to invite specific person or group of person, you may enter the emails in this field above. So I have a suggestion here. If you enter, for example, an email of a person, you also will have a few settings here. Like you may give the person full access so that this person can edit and share with others your page. You can give just edit access, just comment access, and only view permission. So that's regarding the case when you want to share your page by invite to a person who already has a Notion account. But what about those who haven't? So in this case, you may allow access your page publicly. So here you can see this publish button. So you just can click publish button and then go publish to the web. And here you will get a website, let's say a Notion website link, and by sharing this link with those people who don't have access to Notion, you may enable actually them to access your Notion page. Yes, I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.